Yebo, welcome to Watch Me Build It. Building your own MB78 DIY kit. Step 1, watch me prepare my dial. In this video, we're going to remove the unneeded dial feet so that our dial is set up for a 3 o'clock crown position installation. Before we start building, a few reminders. This is part of a series of videos. Be sure to watch the intro video and the ones that came before this and the ones that come after. Be sure to click on the link below to go and buy your own MB78 kit and use the affiliate link to the Namoki store to get to their store, and then use this code here to enjoy an exclusive discount on this kit. You can only enjoy this discount using the Watch Me Build It code. Finally, don't forget to click like and subscribe. But more than anything, let's do this step.
So here are the tools we'll be using for this step. We need our dial and our movement in a movement holder to keep it firm and secure. We need the packaging that is set on the watch. We need the movement cushion. We need a marker, long nose pliers, and a diamond file. Here we go. Step 1. We carefully remove the dial from its packaging and place it face down on the movement cushion. Let's take a closer look at this assembly. First, we see that we have these 2 holes where the dial feet will fit. But on the dial, we have 4 feet. We need to identify which ones we're going to keep and which we'll remove. And it will be the top on the left and the bottom on the right. But first, let's confirm. So we turn our dial around, we line it up with a crown at 3, and then we will see that we're looking for the foot that sits between the 1 and 2 o'clock indices. That's the one over there. We'll be keeping that foot and removing the other. So looking carefully here, we'll be keeping that foot and the one directly opposite, and we'll be removing the other 2. So we bring our marker in and we make a mark next to the foot that we're going to remove. Then we unwrap our watch case, and we're really looking to keep the packaging. Put the watch case back inside of its plastic wrapper, set that aside, unfold our packaging, and we put it down on our movement cushion. Now we're ready to remove the dial feet. You bring along your long nose pliers and you gently grip the foot that you've identified. Then you slowly rotate the dial disc until the foot breaks free. You set that aside, and you'll notice there's a small bump that remains. We'll deal with that in a moment. But first, let's remove the second foot using the same process. Grip the foot, slowly rotate the dial until the foot breaks free. You set the dial down. Here you can see the foot momentarily. Then you bring your diamond file along and gently begin to file away at that stub. We've put the paper beneath the dial to catch the iron filings so that they don't go all over the workbench. When you rotate the dial, rotate the paper with the dial. Don't rotate the paper on the dial, because you could scratch it if there are any filings that have gone beneath the dial. Let's take that second one out of the way. Okay, bring our puffer in and puff away all of our filings. Yeah, there we go. We've managed to remove the burrs. Alright, that's going to fit flush on the movement. Now we turn it round and we clean. Take time over here to clean your dial well. You use a puffer. And when you've done the work with a puffer, you bring your rodico, you make a sharp point, and you pick up any remaining flecks of filing. Take your time. And there you go. We're ready for the next step.